it's Ash from Elementor. Selling your products and services online has never been easier. And with Elementor and Woocommerce, you have the perfect combination of tools at your disposal to make every success with your business. In this course, we'll create this store for Bakersons, which is a fictitious local bakery which sells delicious baked goods to their customers. We'll cover how to install, set up and configure Woocommerce, how to create products and services to sell on your store, how to build your store templates using the Elementor theme builder, additional marketing options like creating pop-ups, setting featured products, and creating sales pages, how to configure various shipping options, how to connect PayPal and Stripe to your store, how to customize your store emails, as well as creating coupon codes and managing your orders once your store is live. Be sure to jump to any of these sections if you're looking for something specific, and don't forget to save this course for future reference. Let's get started and learn how to build an online store with Elementor and Woocommerce.